Hey everyone, welcome back to the Frugal Watchbox channel. So, I bought this cool little watch, the Casio B640WD-1AV, about a year ago for just $23. Yup, 23 bucks. Felt like I got away with a crime. Don't worry, I didn't actually steal it. What made me want it? Well, it has that clean, old-school style I love. The twin amber-colored lights give it a nice retro glow. It comes packed with useful features. And the size? A perfect 35 millimeters, which fits my 6.5-inch wrist just right. Not too big, not too small, just comfortable. After wearing it on and off for the past year, I've got some stuff to say. Let's see if it still holds up today. Here's the quick rundown for all the spec lovers out there. Price. List price is about $34, but I got it for $23. Thank you, online deals.
Price, size, and specs.
Case size, 35 millimeters. Lug to lug, 38.9 millimeters. Only 9.4 millimeters thick, pretty slim. Lug width, 18 millimeters. Weight, 49 grams, feels super light, like you're wearing a paperclip. Materials, case and bezel are resin, tough and lightweight. The band is stainless steel with an adjustable clasp, easy to size, and doesn't pull arm hairs bonus. Water resistance, 50 meters. Great for washing your hands, getting caught in the rain, or the occasional kitchen accident. Just don't take it swimming or diving. Battery, runs on a CR 2016 battery and lasts around 3 years. That's 3 years of alarms you'll probably forget to turn off.
Wrist check.
This watch has a 35 millimeters case width and a lug-to-lug of 38.9 millimeters, and on my 6.5-inch wrist, it fits like a dream. Not too chunky, not too tiny, it sits just right. It's like the Goldilocks of digital watches. It's slim enough to slide under a cuff without catching, but still bold enough to stand out if you're wearing short sleeves. Basically, it's the type of watch that says, yeah, I've got good taste, and I didn't spend a fortune proving it. Even after a year, I still find myself glancing down and thinking, hey, that actually looks kind of good.
Case, bezel, crystal, case back, and band check.
All right, let's talk wear and tear. After a whole year, here's how things are looking. Sure, there are a few scratches on the case, bezel, resin crystal, stainless steel case back, and the bracelet. It's not exactly a crime scene, but this watch has definitely been around and seen its fair share of action. That said, I didn't wear it every day. I wore it now and then, sometimes with a t-shirt, sometimes with a dress shirt. Most of the time, it was just chilling in the watch box like a retired spy waiting for a mission. Despite all that, it's still looking pretty good. The crystal has a few battle scars, but nothing that ruins the legibility. The stainless steel band has some light desk diving marks, totally normal. So after a year, this thing still cleans up well. Like that one friend who always looks sharp, even with a messy haircut.
Buttons and dial check.
Let's check how everything feels and looks after a year of use. It has 4 buttons, 2 on the left, 2 on the right. The top right is for the light, and the bottom right is for start-stop. Both are still clicky and responsive. No mushiness. The other 2, adjust and mode, are on the left side. One of them is slightly recessed, so you don't press it by accident. Both still work just fine. No drama. Now for the dial, the bold Casio logo at the top, still sharp, the water resist 50M and illuminator text. Yep, still nice and clear. The thin blue line that frames the display, still looking classy. It hasn't faded or flaked. The bold gray box around the little digital panel, still solid, no peeling or fading. The tiny alarm and hourly time signal indicators on top left are still clear. The day, date, and month are just as readable as they were when I unboxed it. The hour, minute, and seconds, clear as day. The small indicator, which you can turn on to make the light flash when the alarm or hourly time signal goes off, is still clear and working perfectly. So basically, the display aged like fine wine, or at least like a solid budget beer that's been stored properly.
Viewing angles check.
Now, let's talk about viewing angles. Since this is a Casio, you can expect solid performance from all sides. Whether you're looking at it from the left, the right, or the top, the screen is still clear and easy to read. Even if you tilt it at odd angles, it doesn't get too dim or hard to see. It's not like some watches where you need to be perfectly aligned with the dial to read it. This one holds up from almost any direction. Top down, side views, or even from the bottom. Everything's legible. So no matter if you're checking the time while reaching into your pocket or just glancing down from any angle, the display remains nice and sharp. It's one of those small but important things that makes wearing this watch such a breeze.
Alarm check.
Now, let's talk about the alarm. It's definitely not the loudest alarm you've ever heard, but it's also not too soft. It's kind of in the sweet spot, clear enough to wake you up or grab your attention, but not so obnoxious that it sounds like a fire drill. You know, the kind of alarm that's just a little persistent, but not enough to make you want to throw the watch out the window. We've all been there. It gets the job done, whether it's a reminder to stop scrolling or to get out of bed. It's the perfect balance, loud enough for a quick reminder, but not a total ear-splitting experience.
LED light test.
Time to check out the LED light. This Casio comes with amber LED lights positioned on the left and right of the display panel. When you activate the light, the display is clear and easy to read, even in the dark. It's not the brightest light you'll ever see, but it's definitely effective for quickly checking the time when you're in low light situations. The twin LEDs on either side help even out the brightness across the display, so there are no dark spots. Whether you're checking the time in a dim room or on a late night stroll, this light gets the job done.
Water resistance test.
Now it's time for the water resistance test. I gave this watch a little splash test, running it under the tap for a bit, then even dunking it underwater in the sink for a few minutes. The good news, the water resistance holds up just fine. No issues with fogging, no moisture getting inside. The watch just keeps ticking like nothing happened. For a watch with 50-meter water resistance, it's perfect for things like washing your hands, getting caught in the rain, or even a quick dip in the pool. I wouldn't take it diving, but for everyday water exposure, it's got you covered. Basically, it's a solid choice if you need a watch that can handle the occasional splash without stressing over it.
Features.
Here's a quick look at the key features of the Casio B640W-1AV. Stopwatch. 1/100th second precision with options for elapsed time, split time, and first second place times. Timer. Countdown timer with a range from 1 second to 24 hours, plus an auto repeat function. Alarm and hourly signal. Multifunction alarm, hourly time signal, and flash alert feature for extra visibility. Light. Amber LED backlight with afterglow for easy reading in the dark. Calendar. Full auto calendar that adjusts until the year 2039. Accuracy. Keeps time to within plus or minus 30 seconds per month. Other features. You can switch between 12 24-hour format and includes regular timekeeping with hour, minute, second, day, date, and month. This watch packs plenty of useful features, making it a solid choice for daily wear.
Final verdict.
After spending a year with the Casio B640W-1AV, it's clear that this watch punches well above its weight. For just $23, you're getting a sleek, minimalist design, solid water resistance, and a range of features like a stopwatch, countdown timer, and multifunction alarm. The twin amber LED lights are perfect for reading the display in low light conditions, and the clear icons and easy-to-read dial make it a solid everyday watch. While it might not have the loudest alarm, it's still clear enough to get your attention without being overly annoying. Plus, it holds up well over time, with only minor scratches after a year of casual wear. The LED backlight and flash alert feature add that extra bit of convenience, making this watch not just practical, but also fun to use. With features you typically find in more expensive watches, the Casio B640W-1AV is a budget-friendly gem that offers great value. Whether you're looking for a daily beater or just a simple, reliable timepiece, this one checks all the boxes.
And that's it for the Casio B640W-1AV review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, it really helps out the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to share this with anyone looking for a solid, budget-friendly watch. Also, if you want to support the channel, check out our merch. It's a great way to show some love while helping us grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.